Here's another of Bill. Now Bill takes his bag. Look at all the bags he's got. He'll take his bag and he'll get it over his head on his perch. He's not there yet, but he likes to sit in a perch and be Bill in a bag. Every time I start up the camera, he freezes, so it's like taking still pictures. There we go. No, it's not a cracker. It's a bag, Bill. He's Bill way down in the bag. Loves to play in his bags. Yeah, you do, don't you, Bill? Say hi to me, baby. Bill, what you doing in a bag? What are you doing, Bill? Why'd your door get shut? Your door's never shut. What you doing in the bag, Bill? I'm liking it. Hello. You got a hole down there in that bag. There's Gilbert and Ralph back again. Summering in our pool. See if I can get outside without them flying away. Probably not. Well, I guess I don't bother them at all. The Hilton Hotel features its own pool. Taking a little time here. They're not too bright. Tomorrow is Memorial Day. I guess we have an egg. What an annoyance, having these people around. Even they don't bother them. Oh, let's where the ears are, huh? There's Gilbert and Ralph. Want to go get them? Nah. Painting the pool siding. Hanging out at the under the tree at the Hotel Hilton. See if anything happens here. Dog and duck. Pepsi still doesn't see them. What a hunting dog she'd be. Oop! She saw them, but they didn't care much. They just jumped in the pool and went for a swim.
What are we doing? You want duck for dinner?
Possibility. Pouring down raining, and Gilbert and Ralph are still vacationing in the pool, even though we bought an alligator to scare them away, and they're still here. I think he's going to see the alligator. Yes, sir. You can tell how much that alligator scares them. There they are. Alligator. Duck. What's happening, Bill? You're breaking up the bathtub upstairs. Maybe we want to go up and take a picture of this, huh? The before and after in our bathroom. I just want to take a picture of what we're doing here.
You should see the parrot down there. He's here in the bag and he's looking up.
Look at this.
What are they doing?
Here it goes. There's the walls going.
Wow.
There's the person responsible.
I'm innocent.
Here we are.
Oh, shoot.
Yeah. Look at this. Here's Pepsi.
Now, how do you have a female face?
Whoops, she was sitting on his shoulder.
Oh, that's perfect.
There she is. She's sitting on his shoulder. Oh.
He's so
Like, he was she didn't know paycheck.
His legs.
There's another check.
It's Father's Day.
Did we find out about?
Hey, bread.
Oh, I put the thing away. Wait a minute, let me find where I put it.
There's Beauty playing cat.
Find that Ruckus book.
I lost it.
See if I'm so over it.
I can't find him. I think he's in his bag. Bill? Where are you? Hi, Bill. Bill, how'd you get the bag up on the perch? Can you get out? Bill? Are you stuck in the bag, Bill? Can you get out of there? Bill? Want a cracker? Want a cracker, Bill? Bill? Ooh. Hey, what are you doing in the bag? Huh? Don't you want to get out of there? You stuck or are you just playing? It was all the way to the street, the sewer pipe, so it all came back. This is what the water's damaged. The crib saved all those years. Oh, now he's putting out the majority of the ruined stuff. I don't know how much we can see here, but it's leaving us with the mess on the floor.
Our representative of calls. You may want to consider calling back after 6 o'clock in the evening. You may also choose to